channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Canon printer error code 1682. So guys, error 1682 usually occur due to the defective or the dirty print head or improper installation or the communication issue. So guys, to fix this issue, first of all turn off the printer, press the power button to turn off the printer and unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Then wait a few minutes, wait for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Then check and reinstall the printer head. Open the top cover, remove the printer head and check if the printer head is installed correctly in the right slot. Then reinstall it firmly until it's click. Okay, then check for the dirt and the clog. Inspect the printer head nose. If the dirty clog, clean it. So use lint free cloth or the cotton swab with warm water and let it dry completely, and do not touch the electrical contacts. Then check cable and the connection. Make sure the flat cable is connected properly to the printer head and check for any loose or damaged cable. Also turn on the printer, so plug in the power cord and turn on the printer. The error should be cleared if the issue is fixed. If the error persists, so update the printer firmware, perform a factory reset. If the contact the Canon support if the issue continue. If the printer head is defective, replace it with a new one. Okay, then guys, how to clean the printer head? So guys, to first of all remove the printer head and soak the printer head in warm water for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, then guys, you gently wipe the nozzle area with the soft lint cloth, then reinstall the printer head, run nozzle and check it. Okay, then guys, run, check and clean. Press the setup button, go for the maintenance, nozzle check and print the pattern. If the lines are missing, so run cleaning 1 or 2 times, print the pattern again to confirm. Additional tip, always use a genuine Canon ink. Don't open the cover while printing. Keep the printer is just dust environment and power off properly after use. For contact support, you go to the usa.canon.support.com where you get the support from the Canon support. Okay, so these are the things that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further information. I hope this video is very helpful for you.